Okay, so today I am doing a Shopkins review on the So Cool Metallic Season 3 fridge. As you can see, I already put all the stickers on. And I just thought that this was so cool. So, let's look at it. So, it comes with 6 little mini eggs, or mini Shopkins, and they're just so adorable. And it looks like they all got messed up, but here they are, and they come in like a little teeter-totter. So, that's the teeter-totter thing. It comes with this little cup and 2 Shopkin bags. Oh my gosh, this actually fell out of the bottom. You slide it back in. Okay, so it does slide back in. That came out, but it does slide back in, so hopefully that stays. It comes with a whole bunch of storage. There's storage that can happen. So it comes with a whole bunch of storage. Storage comes right here in this drawer. In this little drawer, like a freezer cooler, all up here, and then in this little freezer. And this is really cool how this works. You just put a Shopkin in there. You can close it. I'm going to do it open for you so you can see it. You take the little cup, push, and then Shopkin comes out. So I thought that was really cool. And that's our So Cool fridge. And I'm going to fix these eggs real quick so they actually look nice, because these are kind of driving me crazy. I like how they all have faces on it, because like they all look like they're having a good time, and like just looks so cute. So it's just somewhat fixed it, so now you can see most of their faces. So that's cute. And then it comes with 8 exclusive Shopkins, and these are Miss Twist, and these are all really metallic and shiny, and they all are pretty much pink or purple, stuff like that. Here is Graham Jam. Here is Miss Mushy Moo. Tommy Ketchup. Apple Blossom. Sippa. I thought it was Sipper, but it's actually Sippa, so I got confused. Because like I watched YouTube videos until I got it, and until I went online and it said Sippa, I thought it was Sipper, so it's Sippa. Here is Soda. Here, let's shake it. It actually says Soda, but it might be backwards for you. And here's like a thing of yogurt, I guess. So now you can just load them into your refrigerator. I like to put Sippa, the cup, into the top, because like it doesn't really come with an ice cube, which I think it should. So Moose should come out with like a refrigerator that comes out with an ice cube, so ice cubes can actually fall into a cup, because none of these actually fall into cups, unless you want a scrambled egg in a cup, but I mean, won't count a scramble. Be careful, because there's like this big slot and it can just easily fall through. So you have to make sure that it's on that. You have to make sure that it's on that little tiny thing right there. And that can be hard sometimes when you're trying to face the camera. And then, so this can I like to fit about 6, 8, 10 up in one shelf. Mostly 8, depending on how big they are. But if they're big, probably just 6. Then on the second shelf, you can probably fit the same. On the last shelf, you can probably fit the same. So that's that. There's storage in here. I'm not sure if the other refrigerators have that, but this works like that. And here is the so cool metallic fridge. So I might be loading these in a different video. I will be loading them in a different video. Not just these 8, but some of my other Shopkins, my collection. So stay tuned for that. Bye!